Well, hello again, young scholars. It's time to explore another career that you could have one day. Can you guess what career we're looking at today? If you guess race car driver, you're correct. Let's meet our professional.
Hi, my name is Emilio Aragon, and I'm a professional race car driver.
What super skill do you use in your career?
The super skill that I use is to be focused, because once you go to the track, you have to have your 110% attention and be very concentrated in what you're doing.
What is the funniest thing about your career?
Okay, the funniest things that happen to me, it's they see me going off a regular car, a very slow car, and then jumping into a race car, and they cannot believe it's the same person that is driving both of the cars.
What tools do you use to get the job done?
Pretty much safety tools, helmet obviously, special shoes, gloves. I wear my Nomex suit. Pretty much it's safety equipment plus my race car.
What's the coolest part of your job?
The coolest part of my job is getting to these high-performance cars and get them on the track and be competitive. You have the opportunity to jump into a race car, drive it on the track, and get off of it. Not everyone can do it.
What an amazing career! Remember, young scholars, with a certificate in racing instruction, you can earn $60 per hour. Just imagine all the things you could be.